Today, let's quickly learn the way that you fix the Spotify account verification problem. In these situations, what you can do is try to use a different verification method. So for example, if you're using a phone number, you can use the email address or vice versa. In the time that you're using your email address, make sure you check your junk or spam folders inside, as sometimes those emails may end up in those sort of folders. What you can also try out is use a incognito or a private window browser in order to verify your account. So what you can do is open up a Google Chrome web browser or any other sort of web browser, use a private or incognito mode and try to see if you can now log in. If none of these solutions work out, then what you can do is try to clear the app cache of Spotify. Tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, what you can do is hop into the Play Store or the App Store, search for Spotify, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you hit that update button. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having this issue, then that likely means the issue is from the Spotify side. So in these situations, you just need to wait out a couple of minutes, sometimes even maybe a couple of hours before your account can verify. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.